Ultra-wide-field imaging has come a long way since its inception. Over time, we've seen an improvement in our image quality, our ability to do fluorescent angiography, ICG, and now with the advent of the Silverstone, we're able to actually integrate swept source OCT in the far periphery as well as in the macula.
Unlike conventional fundus cameras, Optos ultra-wide-field devices capture high-resolution 200-degree views showing 82% of the retina in less than half a second. Silverstone is a multimodality device capable of ultra-wide-field color, autofluorescence, FA, and ICG optomap imaging. Silverstone also includes swept source OCT technology, providing faster scanning and deeper tissue penetration. Silverstone offers multiple OCT scan options, including the 23mm extended line scan. With this, you can quickly assess and document wide areas of the retina without the time and discomfort of montage scans. Using Silverstone's unique optomap-guided OCT capability, you can easily capture OCT scans anywhere on the optomap image. This powerful combination of ultra-wide-field and swept-source OCT speeds clinic flow and positively impacts clinical decision-making.
We all know the OCT in this era is really important for the retina specialists and all ophthalmologists. We know the pathology of the retina, and with the Silverstone, it's much better. Why? Because we have the challenging time to do the OCT on the periphery retina.
Silverstone, with its wide-field OCT capabilities, has become one of my favorite imaging modality. It is my best friend in the clinic and the best weapon that I have in the battle against various vitreoretinal diseases, especially in the field of ocular oncology. I'm also an ocular oncologist, so I often find myself faced with the challenge of making tough decisions in the diagnosis and management of intraocular tumors. And I find the use of Silverstone extremely helpful in making correct diagnosis and surgical plans. I truly believe that Silverstone is going to be a game changer in the next decade, and I strongly recommend that you utilize Silverstone in your clinic.
With just a touch, you can obtain high-resolution swept-source OCT scans anywhere on the optomap. The process is quick, easy, and comfortable for both the patient and the operator.
And it opens up the possibilities for so many more patients without requiring as much of their patient cooperation. They don't have to turn their eyes as hard. We can get things much simpler, much quicker, and as part of a routine imaging for a patient, where before we would have to switch devices and spend a lot of time coaching them through and steering them, where now we can do it instantly, pretty much just during a normal Optos. If I see something in an optomap, I just put a line on it or a volume scan and then send it off to the doctor. That way we don't have to have the patient come back, because I can do that on routine time. It doesn't take any longer than taking an extra picture.
Silverstone's groundbreaking technology provides deeper understanding of retinal pathology in the posterior pole and through the far periphery. Silverstone has been shown to improve clinical decision-making.
The Silverstone has now allowed us to examine pathologies in the periphery ranging from retinal tufts, degenerations, diabetes, retinal detachments, a whole host of pathologies, including choroidal tumors. Now being able to get deep information about these pathologies, determine whether there's vitreous traction, we're able to make much more informed decisions and enhance our clinical examination and improve patient outcomes. The Silverstone is really relatively easy to use and integrate into our practice, and that as a multimodality device has really made a game-changing experience in our office.
World's only optomap-guided swept-source OCT facilitates detailed examination of the retina from vitreous through choroid. Silverstone, it is proven to impact your clinical decisions.